Another useful and sometimes essential technique is mantling. It comes into play when you gain a hold, usually but not always big, which you must first mount, then step directly upon. While the steeper face climbs require fearsome strength, with precision, grace, balance, and mental control we generally equate with face climbing. A hand crack is the Cadillac of all crack climbing. The technique is quickly learned, and a good hand jam is secure as the most bulbous bucket. Again, the experienced climber will pick and choose his jams carefully, finding that spot where the hand fits most naturally. It's easy to let the fist rotate in the crack, which can result in some very painful abrasions. So Doc, what are we looking at here?
Well, Logger, man, we got a call about an hour ago in the meat wagon. By the time we got there wasn't much we could do. This chump was booking up a fist crack, crashing like a mackerel out of water. By the time we got there, his hands were gone.
Gone?
Gone!
Best to watch how you set those jams.